What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna give you the steps on how I scaled my clothing brand to multiple 7 figures. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, I'm sure you're always looking for ways and strategies on how to grow your business to the next level. Well, in this video, I'm gonna cover from A through Z on the exact process I took to make my business get to that next level. So let's get right into it. Step 1, man, know your audience. This is crucial as a business owner. When I went into the field of streetwear and I knew I could kill the game from there. By understanding your audience, you can tailor all your products and marketing directly to them. So when they see your marketing or your products, they know, man, this is exactly for me. When they see your ads, they know, okay, Facebook did a great job targeting me right now because boom, like this product that I'm looking at right now is an absolute fire product and I want to cop it. Doing this will help you build a loyal customer base and attract new customers through word of mouth. Make sure you leverage social media. This is huge. Social media is such a powerful tool. This can get you booming overnight without paid advertising. A lot of us start off with small budgets. I started off with $1,500. Luckily, I knew how to do ads before I even started my brand because I was doing it for other people. I ran a social media marketing agency. Not too many people run social media marketing agencies before getting into starting a clothing brand or starting any brand in general. So they lack that side of things. If you leverage your social media, it is such a powerful tool, especially in the fashion industry. For me, for example, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, all of those things, man, if you put it out there and show new product or show unreleased product, people love to engage with it. A big thing that we focused on when we were first starting was giveaways. Everybody loves free stuff, man. And if you can offer them a fire product and give it to them for free, that's the best of both worlds. I promise you, people are gonna interact and you're not even gonna know where they're coming from. By posting these high quality videos and pictures, you can attract a whole new base of customers. And with that, the best part about it is it was absolutely free. The direct word of mouth customers are worth so much because they're organic and they're real and they genuinely care about the brand. They didn't just run into it on an ad and then think, okay, let me just follow them. Or maybe even follow by accident. They're organic word to mouth. Those are the best customers you can get. A word to mouth business is probably the best business you can own. Obviously, not all businesses are gonna be ran this way. Mine is like half and half. Half of the customers came from paid ads, the other half were organic. I didn't have the full organic, but I had half and half. And for myself, that formula worked. After you have this organic following, it makes it even easier to target them through ads. You can run specific lookalike audiences to the audience that you already have, to your customer base that you already have. Why would you not? If there's people already interested in your product, why would you not want similar people as customers? Do you get where I'm going with this? Hype your products up. This is huge, man. If you have a product that is such an absolute fire piece, put it out there so the world can see and run up the engagement on it. Even if you only have a sample piece, let people engage with it and really build that following for you. And then hype them up, man, and build this anticipation for when you really drop it. And if it's really hot, that's when you can implement the pre-order method and make money without using that money directly out of your pocket. Influencers are your best friend. Use them to your advantage. Send your stuff out to as many influencers as you can. Send it out for free. I don't care. Just get it sent. If your product is really, really good or just good in general, if your product's even half-assed, people love free things, they'll take it. Influencers have played a big role for us. We have some of the biggest people wearing our brand. For example, we have Drewski who has worn our stuff. And him wearing our stuff has gotten people directly to our brand to buy that exact hat that he was wearing. And after you send so many out, other influencers start hitting you up because word spreads around. Learn Facebook and Instagram ads. Yes, you can go viral. Yes, you can make a lot of money organically, but the chances of it are slim. It is hard. It's like a music video going viral. It's hard, but it is possible, right? If you know paid ads and you know how to run them, you have an upper hand against anybody. The reason why we're able to rinse and repeat and start new brands is because we have Facebook and Instagram ads down to a T. Everything on the marketing side we already know how to do, so this is a rinse and repeat process when we start a new brand. We just implement these strategies into them. Now look, I don't want to be like these other cliche ass YouTubers and tell you to sign up down below for my Discord or my course or whatever the case may be, but I'm being genuine with you guys right now. I have a Discord down below that is 100% free and that actually provides real value. It helps you connect with other like-minded entrepreneurs who are either starting a business, are in business, or have been in business. Last but not least, stay focused. This is probably the most important step. If you are not focused and dialed in, I promise you, whatever you have going on, no matter how much of a banger product it is, no matter how good your marketing is, it's gonna fail. Don't get distracted by shiny objects. Wait, can you cut that part out? Nah, but for real, as a business owner, it is easy to get caught up with distractions. It is easy to get caught up in all the materialistic things, but stay focused, stay to that vision. I tell this to people all the time. Stick to that purpose that you had, the reason why you started. My reason why was I just don't want to be broke, man. I don't want to go back to being broke. I don't want to go back to living with my parents. I don't want to go back to driving my bucket. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's what happens sometimes. But I was so dialed in, driving my mom's car to drop off orders, packaging in her house. But yeah, man, just keep your head down and keep hustling. Stay true to your vision and don't forget your why. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you on the next video. I appreciate you for watching. This was just a quick video for you guys. Something that you guys could probably watch back when you're in the process of making your own brand. And if you guys did enjoy it, please leave a like I said, subscribe down below, and comment. And if you're not on the journey now, don't be crying when we're in the hills, in our mansions, partying with Kylie, Kendall, Kimmy, Drake, and The Weeknd. Peace!